Zonia's rainforest. Zonia lives with those she loves in the rainforest, where it is always green and full of life. Every morning, the rainforest calls to Zonia. Every morning, Zonia answers. In Zonia's rainforest, green and full of life, she visits old friends and meets new ones. Good morning, she says 1, 2, 3, 4 times. She stops to talk with some chatty new neighbors. Welcome, I live next door, Zonia sings. She says hello to her most playful friend. You are my favorite, Zonia whispers. If she is lucky, her fastest friend will invite her for a short ride through the thicket. We are mighty, Zonia says, for that is what she feels in her heart. Zonia sees a colorful couple swim by. How's the water today? She asks with a smile. She congratulates mamas with their new babies. I can't wait for you to meet my baby brother. I love him so much. Zonia loves playing hide and seek. 5, 6, 7, 8, she counts. Some friends help Zonia see the world in new ways. And Zonia knows just who to visit when she wants to be quiet and still. After visiting all her friends, Zonia is ready to go home. She can't wait to see her mama and baby brother again. On her way home, Zonia comes across something she has not seen before. Frightened, she runs the rest of the way home. Mama, look, Zonia says and opens her hands. The forest needs help. It is speaking to you, says Zonia's mama. Then I will answer, says Zonia, as I always do. We all must answer.